Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinsong met with Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah today to address the impact of recent tensions in Bangladesh on India's northeast. The discussion, prompted by recent vandalism in Dhaka, focused on enhancing border security and ensuring resident safety.
In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone.